Hey friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney, and today's video is going to be a massive fall Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned. To celebrate 20,000 subscribers on this channel and my upcoming birthday, which is August 15th, I am going to do a giveaway of some of my favorite items that I haul in this video. So stay tuned until the end to figure out how to enter to win. So if you follow me over on Instagram, I have been low-key complaining that I've seen fall items on videos and posts and everything, and it hasn't hit my stores yet. Well, this past week I went out and I was able to find some amazing fall items, and so I'm hoping because they've hit my store, they've also come to you, so I can give you some tips on what you can pick up and some of the projects that I have in mind for these items. Now, this is something that I think bears repeating. I say it in all of my videos, but for me, I find the most success when I go to multiple Dollar Trees. So there's probably about 3 or 4 near the area in the suburb of Chicago where I work, and then there's also some closer to my house. So if you're in an area where there's multiple Dollar Trees, it's worth checking out more than one. Different stores get different things, and if you're seeing something, it may just be something that a lot of the larger stores have gotten. So I, a lot of times too, will go on their website and see where there are Dollar Trees, because they, at least here in Illinois, have been popping up like gangbusters. They've been putting new ones here and there and expanding and all the things. So definitely go to multiple Dollar Trees, and if you're unsure where they are, definitely check those out on their website. They'll be able to tell you how many Dollar Trees are in your vicinity. The first thing that I spotted when I walked in and I saw the fall stuff were these ribbons, and these are so cute. Now I love these because they're great for wreaths, but also these are awesome to stick on the top of your tiered trays, on the top of, you know, a finished wreath. These are cool to tie on to any little like display if you've got vases or things. So these are awesome because I used the patriotic ones for 4th of July on the top of my tiered tray, like on the handle. I tied some around some pots with plants, so it really adds a little bit of festive flair to stuff that you have year round. Now these I picked up last year and I love them so much that I had to grab them again, and they are these pumpkins and they come on little clips. But the awesome thing about these is you get 3 to a pack. And what I did last year is, if you remembered, the Target Dollar Spot had a little cute like blue or green truck. So I used these, but I just went ahead and twisted the little clip, and it literally will pop right out. And then you have a cute little pumpkin for decor. So I had like a little, one of those little like hay bales, and I put these like kind of around it so it looked like you were going to a pumpkin patch. They've got orange, they've got a ton of different colors. But these, originally when I looked at them, I thought they were perfect for wreaths, but these, you could honestly do so many things, pop them off, hot glue them on stuff. So I grabbed 2 of these. Their little tabletop signs are super cute this year, and usually I steer clear of glitter, but I had to grab this sign. It says Happy Harvest. You can barely tell that there's glitter on it. There's like kind of white glitter on top of the letters here, but I loved this little raffia tie with the kind of faux shiplap behind it, and this is super cute because you can literally put this out. And with the harvest stuff, I love to use it from the beginning of fall all the way through Thanksgiving. I grabbed a ton of kind of DIY items, and these I grabbed last year, but I use them really as decor. So they are burlap leaves. They come 5 to a pack, but they have these like little more solid like strips on the back. So what I use these for is, I've got DIYs, I've got like a pumpkin topiary I made. I will link that up above. But these are awesome to just put in your everyday decor and make it look really like fall. So my mantle that's above me here, I put some stuff out, like I've got a couple fall signs, but then literally I've got candles that I'll just kind of tuck these guys in. Let me open this and I can, so it's got this little like hook on the back. So I would literally just go in and put them on stuff. I've got tobacco baskets like on different walls with wreaths, so I would just stick these in there, and these are just the easiest, cheapest way that I've found to really do farmhouse fall. So easy. I also grabbed 2 packs of these DIY stickers. They have little leaves, and they also have sweet, they've got leaves and little pumpkins in there, but these are super cute. I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do with them, but these wood pieces are usually pretty expensive in other stores unless you get them on sale. So I was like, I will figure out what I will do with these. In that same vein, I grabbed a leaf little cutout. I'm looking for the pumpkin one that they have. None of the stores that I was at had that, but this is kind of like a chip wood, kind of like a balsa wood. It just says wood shape on it, but this, I have a project in mind for it, so I'm really excited to see how that turns out. So I was able to find these really pretty picks, and I love them because they aren't super orange. I tend to steer away from the orange unless it's Halloween. I like more of the reds and the yellows. That goes with my decor a lot better. So I grabbed these, and they also have like little pumpkins in there, which make them look faux and festive. But I usually like to use these to fill out any of the vases that I have, like eucalyptus or lamb's ear in year round. This really adds a nice festive touch, and it's super affordable to do so. So last year I was obsessed with these pumpkins. I grabbed a couple, I went back to grab more, and they honestly didn't have any left. So if you like these, definitely go out and grab them as soon as possible. But I don't even know like what material these are, because they're kind of hollow on the inside, but they are so cute. Like, these are definitely something you would find at Kirkland's. So from what I saw in the store, they had white, they had the traditional orange, kind of little short pumpkin, and then they also have this green. Now, this does not match my decor, but I really like the idea of having 3 different sizes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this. I think it's gonna be pretty simple. You just can kind of tape off the top. I would just pop off this kind of wire leaf and then just go to town, paint it whatever color. I might do white. I don't know if I'll do like a tan color. I'm not sure yet. But then you've got a set that looks like it's literally straight out of like a Kirkland's or a Home Goods for $3. Also in the pumpkin department, I grabbed these 2. These are a little bit more ceramic of a material, and the tops are gold. However, I loved how these 2 look together, and I was really excited to use them in my tier tray decorating. So these, you can honestly, like, they would be really cute if you got a few of them and you had them across the mantle. You can mix them in different places, put them on top of candlestick holders. Like, there's so many different things you can do with these pumpkins, but honestly, for $1, you literally can't beat the price, and they're awesome to kind of fill in areas for the fall without breaking the bank. All right, we'll keep trucking along. Up next are these super cute little galvanized metal words. Now, these were around last year, and I loved using them for projects, so I would definitely pick these up. These are great for year round, especially with the welcome piece. So with 3 for $1, it's a great deal. But they're just little galvanized words that you can hook to anything. So these are definitely a must pick up if you're a crafter. I also grabbed 2 of these cute little pumpkin signs, and they've got gold letter that say "Gather here with grateful hearts," which they're super cute. But I also thought these would be awesome for a DIY, so I think I'm gonna keep one as is and make over the other one. And I may have let a little ham on the signs, but you guys know how much I love the little red truck. So I will start from the top here of what I have. So I grabbed this chalkboard style sign, farm fresh, hand-picked pumpkins daily, 100% organic. It's got this cute little metal leaf up here at the top, and it looks like a chalkboard. It's got a little hanger. I think this is adorable. This would be an awesome shape for you to DIY on the back. I've got a ton of projects like that from last year, and I plan to do some more this year. So I will link my fall playlist down below so you can get a jump start on that inspiration. But this is such a cute sign, so I grabbed one so that I've got the back for DIYs, but this front one is super cute. Another one that's great for a base shape or for the sign itself is this one that says "Hello Fall." It's got this burlap at the top, the cute little truck, pumpkins in there, and then "Hello Fall" is in glitter, but you can go ahead and spray that with hairspray. I know I said before I'm not a huge glitter fan, but I can make it work if it's something that I love. But then also on the back here, this would be awesome for a DIY because you've got the mason jar piece, so in love with this guy. And then also I just couldn't decide, so I grabbed both of the trucks. They have a blue and a red with pumpkins in the back. They're literally the same, and the lettering is both kind of a yellow-orange, but the red truck and the blue truck. I think these are super cute. These would be awesome for wreaths. These would be great just on their own. They'd be great to sit just on a shelf. There's a lot of different options for these, but I think it is literally so cute, just the back of the trucks. Up next are these awesome cotton stems. Now these you can get at Hobby Lobby, but you're not going to be paying $1 even with a coupon. So when I saw these, I stocked up and grabbed 5 of them. These are awesome. They're a little bit more plastic feeling. The other ones seem a little bit more realistic if you pay a little bit more at Hobby Lobby, but honestly I put these like on shelves and like things that are far away. I put them in the eucalyptus that I have year round, and so I'm not worried about that. But honestly, for the price, for $5 for this whole thing, it's awesome to put in vases to really just add that fall piece. So these I did not find in the fall section. I found in the regular decor section, so definitely look both places because they might be hidden in the regular kind of flower floral decor aisle. I absolutely fell in love with these really cute like color your own ornament sets. So these are amazing little wood pieces. They had for Halloween, they had jack-o'-lanterns. They also had these little ghosts. And then I also picked up these witches hats. I think this is gonna be awesome for a DIY project, so stay tuned for that because I'm really excited. I've got some different ideas for those. And then I also grabbed the same sets, but little turkeys for some Thanksgiving decor. I have some, but usually I do a lot of fall and just let it stay out. But usually when I can find things that I really love for Thanksgiving, I like to add them to my collection. So grabbed all of these as DIY supplies, so stay tuned to see what I do with these. And then these I honestly had only seen online and I didn't think I would like them, but once I saw them I fell in love. And they are these little stand-up signs. They've got little black stands at the bottom. This one is a mason jar and it's got kitchen measurements on it. And then this one looks like just like a tank top and it's got laundry guides. Now this I already have in my kitchen, so I think I'm gonna use this as a DIY base, but this is gonna be awesome for the shelf in my laundry room. It shows you all of the different little icons that you could see on your clothes and what they mean. So I can't tell you how many times I've like Googled random stuff, so having this as a quick guide is going to be just awesome. So for $1, these are really great quality. And like I said, this I grabbed 2 of them because I've got a DIY in mind for these. Okay, chalk this up as some random stuff, but hear me out. I'm going to use these for fall DIYs, and they are these little blankets. Now, they're fleece baby blankets, so you're going to find them in the little kids section, like with the bibs and all that kind of stuff. But these are awesome. They are gray and white buffalo check, perfect for fall. And honestly, I'm just going to treat these as like fabric pieces. But these are pretty big. They're 30 by 30 inches once you unfold them. And I grabbed 2 of them because I have an idea for them coming up in a DIY. But I saw these and I was like, I cannot pass these up. The only way that I could love them more is if they were the black and white buffalo check. Or maybe they'll do the red buffalo check. Dollar Tree, if you hear me. Bring that back for Christmas because that would be amazing. But these are going to be awesome for DIYs again, like everything that's in here. I haven't thought that far ahead. I kind of have ideas, but you guys will have to stay tuned to see what I turn these into. All right, you made it to the end of that haul. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And now it's time for the giveaway. So usually when I show fun signs that I found at the Dollar Tree, you guys tell me that you're really having a hard time finding them. So what I wanted to do to celebrate the kickoff to fall, one of my favorite seasons, and also celebrating hitting 20,000 subscribers on this channel, I wanted to do a giveaway of some of these amazing signs from the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna be giving away 4 signs that I hauled in here for myself. I picked up extras for you guys. So the first 2 are these truck signs, and then the other 2 are this Hello Fall sign. I'll add this to the grouping here, and then this Farm Fresh pumpkin sign. So all 4 of these will be in the winner's gift pack, and all of the info that you need will be down in the description box below. Basically, just make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then also leave a comment down below with what are you most looking forward to about fall. And my birthday is coming up on August 15th, so let's say that we'll give you until the 15th at midnight, so 11:59 p.m. Central Time on August 15th, 2019 to enter into this giveaway. So do all the things that are listed down below and I just told you to do, and then I will draw the winner and it will be announced in a video that comes out on August 16th, that Friday. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in seeing all of the different items that I didn't pick up but the Dollar Tree has new, I will link that video at the end for you and also down below so you can check that out. There's just too much going on to put that all in one video, so I will link that for you so you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss a future Whiskey and Whit video. Best of luck on the giveaway, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!